Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am showing you how to create abstract typography animation in After Effects without any plugins. So let's get started. First, import our files. You can download project file, link in description, box below. Create a new composition, 1920 by 1080. Write text. I am using high-rise font. Align the text in the center. Now go to Animate option and select Opacity. Set the opacity 0%. Now take keyframe on offset at starting 0%, and after few seconds, set it to 100%. Select the keyframe and Easy Ease. Then open Advance, Randomize on, and set the random seed to 70%. Now duplicate the text layer, change it to stroke, drag our brush, set it to alpha matte. Adjust the scale and position, create another comp, and name it to render comp. Now drag our text comp in to it, then drag our image and set the scale and position, change track matte to alpha matte. Select image, go to Effect and Preset, apply Posterize effect. Set the value to 70%. Apply Unsharp Mask, set the value to 50. Also apply Tint Effect and set the value to 80. Now apply Curves and set the graph just like that. Now go to Project Panel and duplicate the text. Open Text, Comp 2, and change the text. Adjust the size. Drag the text, Comp 2, and set the position. Drag our background texture and adjust the size. Now create a new null object. Parent the layers to null object. Now open Scale property at starting. Take a keyframe and change the value to 150, and after few seconds, set it to 100. Now adjust the layers. Our animation is ready. Hope you like the video, hit the like button, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.